Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this recipe that I love. It's called Chicken Crescent Pot-Pie. It's very budget friendly. Right now I got some chicken breasts cooking in the oven, and when they come out I will cube them. All right, I'll be back. Grab a bowl. I'm gonna start before they come out. This is a mixed veggies, and I am gonna put them in the bowl. All right, I got that in the bowl. I'm gonna put a can of cream of chicken condensed soup also in. Recipe also calls for 1 cream cheese, like an 8-ounce cream cheese. And I set it out for a while. I'm letting it warm up so that way it can mix in with everything. I added the cream cheese right there. Chicken is still cooking, and I have the other bowl going, but this is what it uses, a croissant dough sheet. So I'm going to get that prepared and ready for my recipe. All right, my chicken breasts are ready. I put some olive oil on and some oregano and some garlic powder. I change stuff up. I'm not very good about sticking to a specific recipe. I like to change stuff up. So I am going to go ahead and cube these up, and I'll be back. I cubed it up like that. I can't give an exact time of how long to cook your chicken breasts. All depends. Were they frozen beforehand? How big were they? I cook my chicken breasts for 350, anywhere from 20 minutes to probably 40 minutes. I take them out and I wait till the pink is out of them. I mean, once I put this all together and mix it up, it's gonna cook even more for another half an hour. So, I mean, even if it's a little pink, it's probably okay because it'll cook more when you do the final. All right, I added the chicken. Then I'm gonna mix this up all together. Okay, so I have mixed all of it up pretty good. And next we will put together the pot pie. So you're gonna take this and you are gonna cut slits. They don't have to be perfect. You will finesse them when you're done. You're gonna do this on both sides. I gotta fix that here. And you're gonna do the other side. Okay, so you pile the stuff up that I was mixing up, and then you take this and you braid the croissant. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Oh wow. I must have cut more on that end. Wow, look at all the extra ends they have on this end. So there you have it. I'm gonna pop it in the oven now. I'm gonna pop it in. I just popped it in the oven. I'm gonna pop it in for 30 minutes. I have it on 350 for 30 minutes. I'll be back. All done. It's nice and golden brown. That's what I look for. All done here. I served it with a broccoli salad. Enjoy.